Walmart stopped doing broad in-store price matching years ago, including matching Amazon prices. That means if you find a cheaper Amazon listing, Walmart checkout won't adjust the price anymore in most cases. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what Walmart will and won't price match in 2026, when you can still get a price adjustment, and the fastest way to check if you qualify before you pay. First, here's the core rule. Walmart only price matches in very limited situations now. Most stores no longer match competitors like Amazon, Target, or Best Buy at the register. The idea is simple. Walmart wants prices to stay consistent across stores and online without manual overrides. So, if you're standing in a Walmart aisle with a cheaper Amazon price on your phone, the answer is usually no. That price won't be accepted at checkout. Now the second part people miss. Online and in-store pricing are treated separately. Walmart.com often runs different deals than physical stores. Even if you see a lower price on Walmart's own website, it doesn't always apply automatically in-store. You usually have to buy it online or use pickup or delivery options to get that price. There is also one narrow exception that still exists. Walmart may adjust prices in special cases tied to its own policies, like certain advertised Walmart promotions or specific rollback events. These are internal deals only, not competitor matching. Here's what to do instead if you're trying to save money. First, always check Walmart.com before you buy in-store. If it's cheaper online, switch to pickup or delivery instead of paying in the aisle. Second, use the Walmart app barcode scanner in-store to compare official Walmart pricing, not Amazon prices. Third, watch for rollback tags in-store, because those are the only real automatic discounts you can rely on at checkout. The key thing to understand is this. Walmart has moved away from matching Amazon entirely, so saving money now depends on choosing the right Walmart channel, not negotiating at the register. To sum it up, Walmart does not match Amazon prices in 2026. Online and in-store prices often differ, and the safest way to get the lowest price is checking Walmart.com before checkout. If you want to avoid overpaying, start comparing prices in the Walmart app before you shop. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more straight answers to everyday shopping questions.